Do you know this that 2024 is the 70th year of India-Poland friendship? Amid all the news of Bharat Bandh and reservation, we have an international news which is Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit to Poland, and that's why India-Poland relationship became the focal point of discussion. Hello and welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I'm Ritu and today's session is about India-Poland relationship, and this session is important for your GS2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we'll have a discussion on India-Poland relationship. After that, we are going to discuss Jam Sahib of Nawanagar Memorial. After that, we are going to discuss about Maharaja Ranjit Singh and how he helped the Polish children. And then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So on his Europe visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the Poland, and where he decided that he'll also visit a memorial. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the memorial. So moving towards the India's and Poland relationship. So first of all, we'll have a discussion on India-Poland relationship. As I have already mentioned that 2024 marked as the 70th anniversary of diplomatic relationship between India and Poland. And after the Brexit and pandemic issue, the relationship of India and Poland had changed. Earlier, Poland was little tilted towards the China, but right now what we have seen that because of various geopolitical tensions and amid Russia-Ukraine war, the Poland had also started shifting his interest, and India had also started looking his allies and friendship with apart from Russia and Ukraine. It is often debated that India is tilted towards the Russia because they share a long relationship between their socialism and arms race, and what you can say the cooperation between for the arm and military and so many other things. India is dependent for the food supply from the Russia. So we cannot say that India is tilted towards whom, but we have definitely proof of that. India and Russia had a very good relationship, and right now also they share a very good relationship. But it does not, we cannot say that it does not mean that India had any biasness towards Ukraine, and we cannot go to and jump to any kind of conclusion like that. Although this Poland has a very good relationship with Ukraine, and India is also trying to expand its influence to other countries. So now we'll come to the next one, which is about the economic cooperation. As you already know that India is among the fifth largest economies of the world, and it is supposed that by 2028 India will become the third largest economy of the world. When we'll discuss about the Poland, Poland is the sixth largest economy of the European Union, and it is supposed to be that 21st or 20th of the largest economy of the world. So in this scenario, it's very important to have a discussion on economic cooperation between India and Poland, and we have definitely seen that the trade between India and Poland had risen, and it had risen from 1.95 billion to 5 billion. So there was a significant increase between trade. And also if we look for the direct investment, foreign direct investment, so India is the second largest market for the Polish foreign direct investment in Asia. And we have also seen that South Indian states and South Indian cities are known for their technological development, and they, with help of them, they had developed their service center of Infosys and Wipro in Polish countries. So this is also one of the economic cooperation which has been given by India to the Poland. So this is about the economic cooperation. Now we'll have a discussion about the what is Jam Sahib of Nawanagar Memorial. So on this memorial, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited, and that's why this has become a part of our discussion. So where it is located? So it is located in Warsaw, Poland, and the square is known as Good Maharaja Square, and it is dedicated to Jam Sahib Digvijay Singh Ji and Ranjit Singh, who was a former Maharaja of Nawanagar, currently Jamnagar of Gujarat. So this is the thing, and in Poland he is known as Good Maharaja for his humanitarian efforts. So what humanitarian efforts he had taken? So we'll discuss that during the World War II, when all the countries were fighting, so many children were left without proper care. In this scenario, the Polish children had a similar fate, and they had some moved to the Mexico and other countries. And in this knowledge, the Maharaja came about this thing, and Maharaja is known for his goodwill and for his humanitarian efforts. So he decided that he will support the Polish children and he will give refugee to the Polish children. So around 146 or 150 children were given support by the Maharaja, and they were transported to India, where Maharaja take care of them till the normalcy. So this is the humanitarian effort done by the Maharaja, and in his memory the Poland government has erected this memorial. During his lifetime, this kind of erection didn't happen, but in the era of 1989 or 1990s, this memorial erected in the tribute of Maharaja. So this is the history we have with the Poland, and this memorial was visited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So we'll have a discussion on the question round. Where is the Jam Sahib of Nawanagar Memorial located? London, United Kingdom, Warsaw, Poland, Jamnagar, India, Moscow, Russia. So you have to answer this into the comment section, and you have to also take care of that. What is the relationship between India and Poland? And you have to also look for the diaspora. Earlier we have 10,000 diaspora in Poland, but right now we have more than 15,000 Indian diaspora who are working in the Poland. So culturally we have united, and also in this pandemic situation and so many geopolitical tension happening, Middle East is fighting against each other. We have seen the Russia-Ukraine war. In this scenario, we need to have a strategic relationship between Poland and India. So you have to also look for this thing, that how we can strengthen our relationship. It is not just economic cooperation. We'll also look for the political, social, cultural and other kind of cooperation to each other, and how we can strengthen our thing, because in this economic scenario, Poland is also growing their economy, India is also growing their economy. So this information is very useful for your mains. So you have to prepare your mains answer, and I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section, and do prepare this thing for your mains examination, because this is the time where so many aspirants are preparing for their mains examination, and international relation is very important part for their preparation. So do prepare this topic regarding the international relation, and you should have an idea about the memorial, that when it got erected, in the memory of whom, because maybe in prelims examination they can ask questions like that. So that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.